Bora Bora Islands and Zinedine Zidane. Amazing combination in one video. Embark on an enchanting voyage where the breathtaking beauty of the Bora Bora Islands in France meets the extraordinary life of French superstar Zinedine Zidane. Explore the stunning landscapes and be inspired by Zidane's remarkable accomplishments. This video presents a unique fusion of natural wonders and sporting greatness, guaranteeing an unforgettable adventure awaits you. Hello my dear friends, I am Tohid Setaredan, your guide to the wonders of the world on the Tourism with Setaredan channel. Together, we explore extraordinary global destinations and dive into the amazing lives of local superstars. Subscribe now for unforgettable adventures and unique insights. Your journey begins today. Discover the paradise of Bora Bora. Imagine a place where crystal clear waters meet the endless horizon, where lush greenery blankets volcanic peaks, and where overwater bungalows offer a surreal experience of tranquility and luxury. This place isn't a figment of your imagination, it's Bora Bora, the pearl of the Pacific. If you're seeking an escape to paradise and a taste of adventure, look no further. Bora Bora is your destination of dreams. Bora Bora, a tropical gem. Nestled in the South Pacific Ocean, Bora Bora is part of the Society Islands of French Polynesia. This small island is a postcard-perfect destination, renowned for its breathtaking beauty and captivating allure. The very name Bora Bora invokes images of an exotic and romantic getaway, and this tropical gem doesn't disappoint. Historical roots. Before we dive into the enchanting details of Bora Bora, let's explore its historical roots. The island's history is a tapestry of cultures and influences. The first settlers, the Polynesians, arrived here around the 4th century AD. They established a vibrant and unique culture, which you can still witness in the local traditions, dances, and crafts today. Fast forward to the 18th century when the island's discovery by European explorers brought a new chapter to its story. Captain James Cook, the renowned British explorer, anchored off the coast of Bora Bora in 1769. From that point, the island became a part of European history, with influences from Spain, England, and eventually France. In 1842, France officially claimed Bora Bora as part of its overseas territories, shaping the island's modern identity. The blend of Polynesian and French influences creates a unique cultural mosaic that is evident in every aspect of life on the island, from cuisine to art. Geographical wonders. Now that we've scratched the surface of Bora Bora's history, let's delve into its geographical wonders. Bora Bora is an island surrounded by a vast, stunning lagoon and a barrier reef that acts as a natural defense, protecting the island from the powerful open ocean waves. Mount Otemanu, a dormant volcano, dominates the landscape, providing an impressive backdrop to the island's idyllic beauty. The lagoon's waters are unbelievably clear and offer a spectrum of blues that range from azure to emerald. Snorkeling or diving in these waters is like entering an underwater wonderland, where you can swim alongside colorful fish, explore vibrant coral gardens, and even encounter gentle rays and sharks. Adventure awaits. Are you an adventure seeker? Bora Bora has a multitude of thrilling activities to offer. From heart-pounding water sports like jet skiing and kite surfing, to hiking to the highest point of Mount Otemanu for breathtaking panoramic views, you'll never run out of excitement. Are you an adventure seeker? The island's lush landscape offers opportunities for hiking and four-wheel drive tours through dense forests. Additionally, Bora Bora is a renowned fishing destination, attracting anglers from around the world for the chance to catch big game fish in its bountiful waters. Luxury accommodations. Bora Bora is synonymous with luxury. The island's overwater bungalows are legendary, offering unparalleled views and an intimate connection to the surrounding ocean. There are several upscale resorts and hotels on the island that cater to the most discerning travelers, ensuring your stay is nothing short of spectacular. 1. The St. Regis Bora Bora Resort. This iconic resort boasts impeccable service, extravagant overwater bungalows, and a stunning private lagoon teeming with marine life. Pamper yourself with spa treatments, exquisite dining, and more. 2. Four Seasons Resort. Bora Bora, perched on a private Motu islet, this resort offers a serene and secluded atmosphere. You'll be charmed by its overwater bungalows, world-class dining, and an array of water-based activities. 3. Conrad Bora Bora Nui. With its jaw-dropping views of Mount Otemanu, private beaches, and sumptuous accommodations, this resort is the epitome of luxury. Relax in your private plunge pool, dine in style, and let the beauty of Bora Bora surround you. Culinary delights. Bora Bora isn't just about scenic beauty, it's a feast for your taste buds too. French and Polynesian cuisines collide to create a unique culinary experience. Don't miss the chance to savor freshly caught seafood, tropical fruits, and exquisite French wines. While there are countless dining options, make sure to visit these culinary gems. 1. Bloody Mary's. This famous seafood restaurant is a Bora Bora institution. Choose your seafood from the display, and the chefs will prepare it to your liking. The atmosphere is casual, the food exquisite. 2. La Villa Mahana, a romantic and intimate restaurant known for its gourmet French cuisine. It offers an ever-evolving menu that combines local flavors with French. 3. The Lagoon by Jean-Georges. Nestled within the St. Regis Resort, this restaurant, helmed by Michelin-starred chef Jean-Georges von Gerichten, serves up delectable French and Asian fusion dishes with an ocean view. Other attractions. While Bora Bora's natural beauty and luxury accommodations steal the spotlight, the island also has a few other attractions that are worth exploring. 1. Matira Beach. This public beach is one of the most famous in Bora Bora. Enjoy a leisurely walk along the powdery white sand and watch the sun dip below the horizon. 2. Coral Gardens, a snorkeler's paradise. Coral Gardens is home to vibrant coral formations and a myriad of tropical fish. It's easily accessible and perfect for beginners. 3. Bora Bora Lagoonarium. For an up-close encounter with marine life, visit this marine sanctuary. You can swim with friendly rays and colorful fish, creating unforgettable memories. 4. Fa'anui Valley. If you're into nature and adventure, hike through Fa'anui Valley. You'll encounter lush vegetation, hidden waterfalls, and get a taste of the island's unspoiled interior. Time to make the journey. Now that you've explored the wonders of Bora Bora, it's time to make the journey. Bora Bora's allure is irresistible, beckoning travelers from all corners of the globe. Whether you're seeking romance, adventure, or relaxation, this enchanting island has it all. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime. Bora Bora is waiting to captivate your heart, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Don't hesitate. Paradise is calling, and it's time to answer. Bora Bora is more than a destination. It's a dream come true. Start planning your trip to this tropical haven and experience the magic for yourself. From its rich history to its geographical wonders, adventure activities, luxurious accommodations, delectable cuisine, and more, Bora Bora promises an experience. At this moment, I invite you to discover the achievements, secrets, and fascinating biography of Zinedine Zidane. Zinedine Zidane, often hailed as one of the greatest football players and managers of all time, has a story that resonates with both his successes on the field and his remarkable journey beyond it.
Hooked into the penalty area towards Zidane!
Zidane's career is replete with successes. He played a pivotal role in France's victory in the 1998 FIFA World Cup and the UEFA Euro 2000. His stunning performances, characterized by extraordinary dribbling skills and vision, earned him admiration worldwide. Zidane won the FIFA World Player of the Year 3 times, a testament to his peerless abilities. Zidane's career is replete with successes. He played a pivotal role in France's victory in the 1998 FIFA World Cup and the UEFA Euro 2000. His stunning performances, characterized by extraordinary dribbling skills and vision, earned him admiration worldwide. Zidane won the FIFA World Player of the Year 3 times, a testament to his peerless abilities. But his successes didn't end with his playing career. As a manager, Zidane achieved unprecedented glory with Real Madrid, securing 3 consecutive UEFA Champions League titles from 2016 to 2018, a feat never before accomplished in the modern era. Zidane's magic on the field lay in his ability to make the extraordinary look effortless. His secrets were a combination of innate talent, relentless work ethic, and an unparalleled understanding of the game. His vision allowed him to see opportunities others couldn't, and his control over the ball was mesmerizing. He had a unique balance, grace, and elegance in his play that made him stand out. Zidane's success can be attributed to several factors. First, he possessed natural talent that set him apart from his peers. Second, his dedication to the sport was unwavering. He constantly worked on his skills, both physically and mentally. Additionally, his ability to remain calm under pressure and deliver in crucial moments made him a true leader on the field. Zidane was a master of improvisation, often using his creativity to change the course of a game. In conclusion, Zinedine Zidane's journey from a Marseille neighborhood to becoming a football legend as both player and manager is an inspirational story of talent, hard work, and a deep love for the game. His extraordinary successes and mesmerizing secrets continue to inspire a new generation of football enthusiasts and are a testament to the enduring legacy of one of the greatest football maestros in history. If you enjoyed this trip and this video was interesting and useful for you, please click the like button to support us and write your opinion in the comments section. Also, share the link of this video with your friends and let them join our thrilling journeys. Get ready for an extraordinary experience in our upcoming video. We're transporting you to the enchanting Chefchaouen in Morocco, where you'll be entranced by the iconic blue-painted streets and the rich culture of the Rif Mountains. But that's not all. We'll unveil the captivating story of Moroccan superstar Saad Lamjad. Saad Lamjad, celebrated for his mesmerizing music and unforgettable performances, has made an indelible mark on the global music scene. Join us for a double feature of natural beauty and artistic brilliance. Stay tuned and don't miss out on this exceptional adventure. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to enjoy this fantastic content. Your next adventure begins soon. I invite you to enjoy one of the captivating videos in this section. The first video, which is at the top of the image, provides you with complete information about Phi Phi Islands in Thailand and its beauty, as well as the biography and secrets of the success of Tony Jaa, the legendary Thai martial artist and actor. Meanwhile, the second video, located at the bottom of the image, presents a visually engaging puzzle, challenging your travel knowledge for a delightful and entertaining experience. Which one would you like to choose?